Yeah, this is a school management system, but this management system is quite different from all other management systems that you have seen. This is a quite a robust management system that anything you can think of that schools are involved in, you can manage all of them here. Okay, let's say for instance, this is a quick look at the management system. Let's say for instance, okay, let's click here. When you come to the front desk, see all these things are what you can manage from this system. Okay, let's say from the front desk, you can manage the admission entry, then the admission visitors book, phone call log, postal dispatch, postal receive, complaint setup. Then from the students information, you can get it from the site or a quick link. Student information, you can manage the student details, student admission, online admission, disabled student, multi-class student, bulk delete, fee collection, collect fee, offline bank payment, then income, expenses, attendance, that's students attendance, approved leave, attendance by dates, period attendance, attendance by date, examination. You can manage the examination group, the examination schedule, examination result, design admit card, design mark sheet, and then when it comes to online examination, you can equally create online examination here, and you can equally create question bank here. Then when you come to lesson plan, you can copy the old lesson plan if you have ones that you have already input. Then you can manage lesson plan, you can manage the syllabus status, you can manage lesson, you can manage topic. Then when it comes to academics, the class timetable, teachers timetable, assign class teacher, promote student, subject group, subject class section. Then when it comes to human resources or human resource, you can manage the staff directory, you can manage the staff attendance, you can manage the payroll, you can manage the approved leave request, apply, somebody can apply, then leave type, teachers waiting, department, destination, disabled staff. Then communication is how you communicate to the student, to your teachers, to the guardians, to the parents. You can notice board, you can send notice on the notice board, you can send email to the teachers, you can send email to the parents, you can send SMS, you can email log, schedule email. Okay, like if you want to schedule your emails to be delivered next week or next 2 weeks, you can schedule login credential send. This login credential send is that when you create a user like a teacher, when you create a user that's a teacher, the system will automatically send the login credential to the teacher. Then SMS template, then download center. This is beautiful. When you talk about the download center, peradventure, maybe is video tutorial, you can upload video tutorial, then the student can go and download it. You can upload and share content here. Students will go and download it. And the truth of the matter is that every student with every class has its own role. What I mean by its own role, its own privilege. As the student log in with either his name or his admission number, that admission number or the login will give the student a particular interface or a particular dashboard that the student will access. The student will not access the same thing accountant access. The student will not access the same thing the teacher access. The student will not access the same thing an admin will access. The student will access something that is peculiar, something that is marked out, something that the role that has been given to the student. And the good thing about it is that maybe peradventure a JX1 cannot access what a JS2 will access. A JS2 student will not access what a JS3 student will access. A senior class student 1 will not access what somebody that is preparing WASI or SSCE will access. So this is very holistic, robust. And when you come to homework, you can add homework here. The student every day, student will go online as an after class. Even the parents will go and say, okay, come and do your homework. This one is not that they did not give us homework today. No, the parents will have the privilege to go to the system to see the homework that is particular or peculiar to his or her ward. Then daily assignment, when you come to the library, your school has a library, then the book list in your school library will be listed here. The issues return, maybe somebody borrowed a book, the return, the art student, the art staff member, right? So when you come to inventory, this is a whole package. When I mean a whole package school inventory management system, the inventory, the issue item, the inventory of the school, what the school has, what the school is in possession of, then you can add item stock, what the school has. Maybe the school has computer, the school has everything, boards, chalks and everything. Then you can categorize it. That's the inventory part. Maybe your school is running transportation for the student. Maybe school runs bringing the student and taking the student. You can still manage it here. You can manage the fee master, pickup point, the routes, the vehicles your school uses. Maybe your school use bus, Hummer bus, or big luxurious bus, or any. You can manage the transport here. And the hostel. Oh wow, this is so beautiful. If your school has hostel, maybe your school is managing hostel, you can manage the hostel here, hostel room, the room type, and the hostel. Then you can manage the certificate, student certificate. At the end of the day, when the student graduates, there is a student certificate, there is general certificate, there's student ID card. Oh wow, this is beautiful. The ID card will automatically, if you enable it, whenever anytime a student is being enrolled or registered, the system will automatically generate an ID card for the student. There is general ID card, there is staff ID card. When the staff is being employed, the system and the system will automatically generate staff ID. Then the front desk, which is something like this, the front desk, you have about the event of the school, the gallery, the news, the media, the pages, and then the good thing about it is that it doesn't stop there. It manages the alumni. You see, it manages alumni and event. And the report, this is so beautiful. When you go to report, okay, let's click on the report and see what the report has. This is beautiful. When you come to student information report, you can get report on the student. You can get the report on the student history. You can get report on the class subject report. You can get report on student profile. Maybe you are looking for a particular student, you can get the report on that particular profile. You can get online admission report. You can get class. Oh, did I tell you that you can enable an online admission whereby people can access online and register online. You can get the report on that. You can get class and section report. You can get student login credentials, admission report, student gender ratio report, maybe the male and female, male to female, female to male, the guardian report, oh, who is the person's guardian, the parents login details. Because this holistic school management system even give the parents or the guardian access to even log in and see how the ward or the children are performing in school, the sibling report, the student teacher ratio report. So this only is just only for students. Okay, when you come to finance, they have finance report. You have finance report, you have even see finance report, balance fee statement, balance fee, payroll, online admission. This one is only for finance. Okay, you have, and these are reports. You have attendance report. You can get attendance report. You can get examination report. Okay, let's click on examination to see the rank report. You can get attendance report, online library report, inventory report, transport report, alumni report. So these are the reports you can get, right? So you talk about a lesson plan. We said about lesson plan, the transportation, the hostel, then the system setting. You can generalize, like now this is Nepsen. That's Nepsen. My name is Nepsen School. I don't have a school actually, but I plan to have. But this is Nepsen School. This place can be your own school name, and this is my own logo. This place you can change it to your own logo. Then the section, the SMS, the email, you can send email here without logging out. You can send email. The payment method, you can organize payment method, you can enable it. And one of the good things about it is currency. This is a very robust managed school management. Anything you can think of, like now you can see that is on GHS, that's Ghana cedis, but I've already enabled Naira and also USD. Whichever country, wherever you are, or whatever country or wherever country that you live in, you can enable. Okay, when you click here, you can enable Naira. If when I click here, the Naira has been enabled. If your school runs on the US dollars, you can click here to go on US. Even if you are in South Africa, even anywhere you are, you can add the currency. That's the beautiful thing. Then from here, you can search any student. You can start student by name to get the profile or to get information about any student. So this is a very, very robust. When I mean robust school management system, as in robust school management system, the academics, the academics is really students information. The academics, okay, let's go to the academics academic view for you to see what is obtainable, what you can get. Okay, when you click on the academics, you can get class timetable. This is automated as a class timetable, teacher's timetable. Every teacher will know the section or the timetable that he or she is following, and you can assign teacher to any class. assign class teacher, you can promote a student, you can group the subject, you can add subjects to a particular class, you can add class, you can add section, you can do lesson plan, human resources, communicate. And this is a holistic, a complete, full option school management system. What are you waiting for? DM to ANTS or to inquire on how you are going to get this. And I tell you one thing, this school management system is the cheapest you can get. As in, it's the cheapest you can get. When you get the school management system, you don't have to get any other school management system, because both the finances, the accounting, the human resource, everything all together is being added here. From this, the same dashboard, the same particular dashboard, you can manage everything. The parents can manage. The parents can see how they are performing. The teachers can see the classes he or she is managing. The students can see the result, and at the same time you can set result online. The student, okay, like in the era of COVID, the school can still run the school perfectly online without students coming in. So this is the holistic and a whole full option. DM, call us, send us email so that we can tell you how you are going to go about it. And it comes with installation. And the good thing about it is that, like other ones that you might have been seeing, might come with subscription, maybe 3 months subscription, every time you subscription. But when you get this, my dear, when you get this, you get it forever. When you get this, you use it forever. When you get this, you manage your school forever. There is no subscription. You don't have to pay for any subscription. You get it and it becomes yours. And the installation is included. We are going to install, we are going to what they call onboarding. We're going to help you onboard it. And we are going to help you, teach you how you're going to use it for you to maximize it. Because, wow, it's a whole lot. It's a whole lot features and a whole lot option. Because you need to maximize it so that you can really appreciate how this school management system works. What are you waiting for? Call us on phone, DM us, send us mail so that you can get this for a token, for a very little money. I'm waiting for your mail.